Hey everybody, Adam with FANUC here. Today we're going to do a quick little topic, pretty common question. We need to add some position registers to our robot memory. Maybe some position registers, some more string registers, numerical registers. In either case, people often find that they need more than the 100 that you're given. So, if we look in my data tab, I start out with 200 numerical registers, right? Seems like that'd be enough, but it's not always. We look at our position registers. We start out with 100 of these bad boys. Sometimes people just have a lot of places to go and a lot of positions to teach. So let's show you the secret sauce here. What you need to do is get your robot into a controlled start. So when you normally power up your robot, it's what we call a cold start. To go controlled, I'm going to hit my function key, and I'm going to go over to the cycle power section. And right here, I'm going to get this little pop-up of how do I want to cycle power? I'm going to say options. And obviously I can cancel out. I can go back to a normal cold start where I was, or I can go to controlled start. So I'm going to click control. Now on robots with the A cabinet controller or the B cabinet controller, so that's typically big robots like my R2000 on here, M10s, M20s, the big Deltas, the M410s. If you have a big robot, big controller, it can cycle power by itself because it has an internal relay that kills power on and off. If you have something smaller like an LR Mate or a Scara or the M1 series or the CRX series, then when you click that function controlled start, you'll get a little prompt on the screen that says user power cycle. So you'll physically have to go turn it off, turn it back on, and then you'll see this. Your screen will look notably different. It'll show this. And what we need to do is click menu, and we're going to go down to the next page, next. And we're going to go into the program setup. Inside program setup, you can see all of these options of different things that are set from the factory. So numeric registers, there's your 200. Position registers, there's your 100. String registers, 25. How many user alarms do I have? Blah, blah, blah. This goes on and on and on. How many frames, right? How many user tools and user frames, vision registers, everything you need. So I'm just going to, for this video, I'm just going to change my position registers. I'm going to say instead of 100 of them, I want 200 of them. Yay. Each of these will have a different maximum to them, so you can only go so high. If I said, hey, I want 500 registers, nope, value is out of range. If you want to go really big, you can actually purchase an option from FANUC for expanded registers, and I think you can get up to 1,000. But from the factory, it caps off at some weird number. I can't quite remember. 360 worked. There you go, somewhere between 360 and 380. So it peters out somewhere up there, 370. Anyway, once I get the numbers that I like for all my different frames or registers, etc., go back to my function and say cold start. Again, this robot has the ability to restart itself because it's a larger robot. Yours, you might have to physically do it, but start cold, enter. This robot will reboot itself, and we should see some more registers in there. So pretty simple, straightforward, quick and easy. Hopefully that helps you guys. Let's show you and prove that it worked. Data, type, position registers. I now have 370. So always keep an eye on your memory. You can always add more to the robot. That's pretty easy to do with hardware and software options, but there's your top secret trick for adding more from the factory. Thanks a bunch for watching, guys, and as always, have fun coding.